Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Simply Kiwi. I am so into these abstract manis. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like nail art or anything nail art related, please consider subscribing. There's also that notifications bell, so don't forget to click it so you'll know when I upload new content to the channel. So let's get started. Once again, this abstract mani turned out beautifully. I enjoyed doing this one. I hope you enjoyed this mani as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and smash up those likes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And remember to allow the mani to take hold and watch the magic appear.